So in YouTube Studio, you can see in the left side, after the analytics, you can see this comment option in here. I'm going to open this, and here you can see the comment and mention. So first I'm going to discuss about comment. So all the latest comment is appear in comment section. You can see all of this. From here you can like, dislike, or love this your comment, or you can remove, report, or hide user from your channel. Also you can enable this always approve comment from this user, or you can remove all this existing comment from this user. And in the right side you can see which video they comment. So you can see my video title and thumbnail, so you can easily understand which video they comment and what solution they want and what they write in your comment. For held on review, you can see it is actually held for review. So I can remove this comment, or I can replay this. In mention, you can see someone mentioned my channel name, Full Course Official, and Full Course Official. It's basically if someone mention your channel name, then you can see this thing in your comment. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.